Smalls and Stevie.
Yeah. Alright. They say I wasn't ready. Look at me now. And now I'm doing better. Look at me now. When I was a shorty, I wanted to be like Shorty,
Mike,
where everybody know me,
well known,
but God was trying to show me
life.
that fast life is not the life. That's $100, that's every night. That's a different hole with different throats, with different strokes. You know how I go. They say I wasn't ready. I look them in they eye. I said, nigga, are you crazy? All this shit and I done did. You would think that you been hoodwicked. I was always fucking somebody, bitch. I had a little team that was selling shit. We was almost in Tillibrit. They popped my brother that was in it. They picked me up on some relevant. That's 10 bag. That's a felony. Damn. I really miss my brother.
TD,
And there's no nine other.
real shit,
And I don't fuck with others.
no lie.
So fuck y'all motherfucker. Yeah. They say I wasn't ready.
Ready.
Look at me now. And now I'm doing better. Look at me now. They say I wasn't ready.
What?
Look at me now. And now I'm doing better. Look at me now. And I don't even hustle.
No more.
Feel like I lost my muscles.
I'ma feel like myself.
Going through the struggle,
Broke as hell.
but I don't have to worry.
No lie.
That po-po's at the front door. Ain't going back to court no more. Ain't standing there like a dodo. Ain't giving up my dodo. You got a course fine, that's a hell no. Got any warrant, that's a hell no. My kids calling, I gotta go. My kids need me. Adios. My life is not so crazy.
No, it's not.
Feel like it, I went lazy.
Family nigga.
I'm glad I had my babies.
For real.
Teach my daughter be a lady.
Real shit.
These hoes out here be trippin'. You ain't catch my daughter out here slippin'. She don't go to school for tuition. Then had these little niggas wishing my son out here gon' be getting it. That football shit and I'm with it. I love my kids, she don't get it.
Yeah.
They say I wasn't ready.
Ready.
Look at me now. And now I'm doing better. Look at me now. They say I wasn't ready.
Huh?
Look at me now. And now I'm doing better. Look at me now. They say I wasn't ready.
Fuck 'em.
Look at me now. And now I'm doing better.
Look at me.
Look at me now. These niggas looking crazy.
Looking stupid as fuck.
Look at me now. My life is not so crazy.
No more.
Look at me now.